Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to talk about the SPY because holy shit, this thing filled the gap so fast and blew up to the upside. It didn't even let me make a play at 441. I was actually gonna do a what is it? Straddle strangle. When you basically bet that, an option that basically says I think price is gonna be anything but this 441 price, 440 price. I didn't even know that it rallied so hard today, it filled the gap. It ran up. It's already on trend. It broke trend to the upside. I think if anything, it might come down to like 442-ish to retest trend. But I think it's headed back to all-time highs, man. It's headed back to 450. The SPY is just not one to be messed with, dude. Especially it clearing a daily bull. It's probably going to close bullish today on the candle. I would 100%. I can 100% see it at 454 within the next week or two. The weekly looks, it doesn't even look bearish anymore. The weekly looks like it's going to come back down and close bullish. And let's see what the monthly is still bearish. But you have, what day are we in? 24, 25? What are we in? 23? You have one. You have like 2 or 3 more trading days, and you can definitely still cancel out that bear month close for September. So, I mean, this thing's gonna man, this thing looks like it's gonna keep rallying to 450 in like before September, and I feel like it might cancel out the bear close for September for the monthly, and we're just gonna keep closing bullish months. Absolutely insanity, man. This is crazy. The fact that it just rallied up like that. Yeah, everything is bullish, man. I can definitely see it going back up to what is it called, to 454. You're actually gonna have another bear close soon within the next hour or two, but I think it's gonna do the same thing as it did back here. It back when it happened, at 12:30 yesterday, and then today again at 12:30. Why is it? What day is it today? 12:30, 10:30. Why does it say 12:30? Oh, 12:30 yesterday, so right before the day ended. My bad. So yeah, I mean, it might just trigger a bear push to the downside, but it might get canceled out completely and run up. I mean, you still have that 200 MA that it can hit, but everything looks crazy bullish right now on the SPY. If we close that bullish on the day, which is like a 99% sure chance it's gonna happen, you have all this momentum on the stoke. I can definitely see us just running all the way back. Well, I mean, it was my original thesis, right? I'm like, you know what? It's gonna hit 441, and you're either gonna see a complete blast off to previous highs, or we're gonna come down to 425. And I think with the news of Evergrande getting bailed out and Jerome Powell basically saying that QE is gonna continue, there's no tapering until 2023. And yields are going to stay low. I think that's going to up margins like crazy, and I think that's basically the continuation of crypto and the SPY going back up. And now I'm kind of thinking about probably buying back in for all crypto. Everything that I sold, I'm thinking of maybe buying everything back in. I don't know yet. I still want to see how this week closes, but things are looking crazy good for the SPY and for the crypto market right now. I'll see you guys later.